Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Part 3 Taiwan. I'm Adrian, your host. I live in Taiwan. I want to show you around. Where are we today? Today we are at the QiaoTou Sugar Refinery. This area of Taiwan has been making sugar for a long time. The Dutch in the 1600s started making sugar here. In 1901, the Mitsui Corporation of Japan started the first modern sugar factory here. They operated the factory until 1946. In 1946, the Republic of China took over the operations and started the Taiwan Sugar Company. The Taiwan Sugar Company operated here until 1999. In 2002, Kaohsiung turned this into a cultural and historic site. It is a museum today. Let's go take a look around. This is the factory director's house. It is where the factory director would live. Very pretty house. It's very much in the Japanese style. They have just been working on restoring it and will open it for tours. In 2012, this was used for the site of a movie, The Bold, the Corrupt, and the Beautiful, about life in the 1940s working here in the sugar factory. Over here is the deputy director's house, where he would live. Also a very nice Japanese-style house. They've restored it beautifully. One nice thing they have here is this blue line. You can follow it all the way around the factory and it takes you to some historical and cultural sites. Very beautiful site, lots of big trees to provide shade. We just have to be careful, these trees drop some really big leaves. This building, built in the Japanese colonial style, was the office for the sugar factory. It's built above ground to help keep it cool, and it's also built with raised floors on the inside. They hold lots of different exhibitions here throughout the year. The holes up on the roof are there so that during the Japanese occupation, if there was an uprising, the military could put their forces on the roof and shoot through those holes, something like an old castle. Here we have the site's Tianguanyin statue. A lot of people still today come here to pray for various requests and provide many offerings. This area over here is where all of the warehouses are. There's a lot of warehouses for storing the finished sugar product. These have been converted into Bay's New World and a performance center for the Ten Drum group that's based in Taiwan. This area is used for a lot of different activities. I've had a run here. We also saw a wedding here. Taken a lot of the old equipment and turned it into art. Some interesting sculptures here. This one is for my brother-in-law. I know he has a lathe. He likes to do woodwork. How about having one of these in your garage? Here they even have some of the old sugar cane. So here ends today's journey to the QiaoTou Sugar Factory. Hope you enjoyed the journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.